Beneath the silent, sunless miles of the ocean, where light dies and pressure crushes steel, exists a being that defies the boundaries of nature itself. A creature of shifting colors, eerie intelligence and quiet violence, a mind with 8 arms, a body that bleeds blue, and a soul that seems older than humanity. This is the octopus, a living riddle born of the abyss. Scientists call the octopus the most alien creature on Earth, yet it shares our planet, our curiosity, and perhaps even our emotions. From vanishing into its surroundings to solving puzzles meant for human minds, the octopus moves through the sea like an intelligent shadow, observing, adapting, and waiting. Tonight, Neuramysteries descends into the dark mind of this oceanic phantom to uncover 20 deep and terrifying truths about a creature so strange. It challenges what it means to be alive. 20 deep and terrifying facts about the octopus. The octopus has 3 hearts, a biological anomaly that sets it apart from almost every other creature on Earth. 2 of these hearts work tirelessly, pushing cold, oxygen-rich blood through its gills. A third, central heart drives circulation through the rest of the body. Yet when the octopus swims, this systemic heart stops beating. This physiological shutdown is so taxing that octopuses often prefer to crawl, making every graceful glide through the water a quiet, calculated risk of death. The octopus bleeds blue. Its very lifeblood is an alien fluid. Unlike our iron-based blood, octopus blood contains a copper-based protein called hemocyanin, which turns it a deep spectral blue. This isn't just a cosmetic difference. This unique adaptation is what allows the octopus to thrive in the crushing pressures and freezing low-oxygen waters of the abyss, an environment where almost no other complex life can endure. The octopus can taste with its entire body, a sense that defies human comprehension. Every single sucker on the octopus's 8 arms holds thousands of chemoreceptors, turning its skin into a vast, distributed tongue. This creates a sensory field that can taste and smell whatever it touches, instantly identifying prey, predator, or potential mate. It's an alien way of perceiving the world, experiencing reality through direct, intimate contact. Each arm of the octopus thinks independently, operating with a mind of its own. The octopus possesses a decentralized nervous system, with over 2/3 of its 500 million neurons residing not in its brain, but in its arms. This means each limb can explore, decide, and react entirely on its own, even when detached from the body. This bizarre phenomenon of disembodied consciousness blurs the line between a single being and a colony of 8. The octopus is an escape artist of the deep, a master of infiltration and exfiltration. Aquariums around the world tell chilling stories of octopuses vanishing overnight. They are known to slip through the smallest of drainage pipes, methodically open sealed lids, and even memorize the schedules of their keepers. Some have been caught crawling across wet floors, embarking on silent, nocturnal journeys just to reach another tank for a midnight snack. Are you still following these eerie truths? The ocean holds stranger secrets than we can imagine. If this descent into the deep fascinates you, take a second to like this video and subscribe to Neuramysteries. Tell us in the comments, which fact has shocked you most so far? Now, let's dive even deeper. 1. The octopus can vanish into the sea floor. This is not mere camouflage, it is an act of disappearance. Through millions of microscopic pigment sacs called chromatophores, controlled directly by the brain, the octopus can shift its color, texture, and pattern in milliseconds. It raises and lowers tiny bumps on its skin, called papillae, to mimic the 3-dimensional texture of its surroundings. It becomes coral, sand, or stone with flawless precision. Cameras and predators alike are deceived by its instant invisibility, a phantom of the reef that exists only when it chooses to be seen. 1. The octopus regenerates what it loses. If an arm is torn off, the octopus does not merely heal, it rebuilds. It can even sever its own limb to escape a predator, a process known as autotomy. From the wound, a perfect copy begins to grow, cell by cell, reconstructing muscle, skin, and nerves without a scar. Within weeks, a new limb emerges, identical in function. Astonishingly, it even retains its independent neural network, a localized brain that allows the arm to act on its own. The creature simply regrows a piece of its distributed mind. 1. Some octopuses walk on land. For most sea creatures, the shore is a fatal boundary. For the octopus, it is merely an obstacle. Species like Octopus aculeatus can crawl out of water, using their muscular limbs to travel across rocks and sand. They do this to hunt for prey trapped in tide pools or to escape unfavorable conditions. This remarkable ability, a temporary defiance of its own biology, blurs the line between marine and terrestrial life, showcasing an intelligence that finds solutions beyond the confines of its own element. 1. The octopus masters. The art of illusion. One species takes camouflage to an entirely new level. The mimic octopus doesn't just blend in, it becomes something else entirely. It can impersonate up to 15 different sea creatures: a venomous sea snake, a spiny lionfish, a bottom-dwelling flatfish, changing its color, shape, and posture with perfect accuracy. The deception is not random. It's a calculated survival strategy. It assesses the threat and chooses the disguise most likely to repel that specific predator. It is one of the ocean's greatest and most intelligent actors. 1. The octopus appears to dream. When resting, octopuses enter rhythmic sleep cycles, much like our own REM sleep. During these phases, their skin flashes through vivid patterns and textures, as if reliving memories of the hunt, the escape, the camouflage. Scientists believe this may indicate a form of dreaming, a visual replay of their waking life. Here lies the ocean's most alien creature, lost in visions of its own creation, its subconscious mind painting stories across its skin for no one to see. 1. The octopus is a cannibal. When desperate intelligence does not preclude brutality, the octopus is a solitary creature, and its world is one of unforgiving survival. In moments of extreme starvation or fierce territorial defense, it turns on its own kind. The attack is silent, swift, and unfeeling. There is no ritual, only cold necessity. In the deep where resources are scarce and life is a constant battle, the hunter and the hunted can become one and the same. 1. The octopus lives briefly but intensely. For all its profound intelligence and otherworldly abilities, the octopus is a fleeting marvel. Despite its complex mind, most species live for less than 2 years. Theirs is a life lived in fast forward, a rapid journey of learning, hunting, and surviving, culminating in a single act of reproduction before their bodies begin to decline. The brilliance of the creature is tragically brief, a spark of genius that burns out almost as soon as it appears, as if the ocean itself cannot bear to witness such a mind for long. If you're still with us in the depths, exploring these truths, drop a in the comments to show you're part of this dive. And don't forget, hit subscribe so you never miss our next descent into the unknown. Now brace yourself. The journey is not over. The next truths reveal the octopus's darker, almost human side. 13. The octopus uses ink as a chemical weapon. The ink of an octopus is more than camouflage. It's a biological smokescreen laced with compounds that dull the senses and confuse the predator's taste and smell. A single puff of this dark cloud can decide life or death. 14. The octopus builds. Tools and shelter octopuses collect shells, coconut halves, and stones, assembling makeshift fortresses to hide within. The behavior proves tool use, once considered a sign of intelligence unique to humans and primates. 15. The octopus feels and remembers pain. Neuroscientific studies show that octopuses possess nociceptors, capable of detecting and remembering painful experiences. An octopus avoids locations where it has been harmed, revealing memory, emotion, and perhaps fear. 16. The octopus dies for love. After mating, hormonal changes cause a self-destructive transformation. The male weakens until it dies. The female guards her eggs without eating until she too fades. Devotion written in biology, love turned into extinction. If this journey into solitude and genius resonates with you, take a deep breath, leave a comment, and tell us what you've learned so far. Then, Let's confront the final secrets the ocean hides. 1. The octopus solves problems like a scientist. They don't just stumble upon solutions, they systematically test hypotheses. In laboratory settings, they meticulously navigate complex mazes, unscrew jars from the inside, and even learn new skills simply through observation of others, including humans. This capacity for social learning is remarkable in such a solitary animal. Furthermore, their interactions with people go beyond simple conditioning. Some individuals form clear bonds, recognizing specific humans and greeting their favorite caretakers with gentle, inquisitive touches. Conversely, they remember those they dislike, targeting them with a well-aimed and deeply personal jet of water. 1. The octopus is a master of solitude. With few exceptions, each octopus lives and dies alone. There are no families, no communities, no passing of knowledge from one generation to the next. It is a profound paradox, a brilliant mind forged in near-total isolation. This is intelligence untethered from society, a consciousness that awakens, learns, and fades away, thinking silently beneath the waves. 1. The octopus controls its environment. This solitary mind possesses a distinct will. In captivity, octopuses are known to rearrange objects in their tanks, build walls, and deliberately block cameras that invade their space. In the wild, they construct elaborate dens, complete with doors made of shells. The behavior resembles a conscious attempt to shape their surroundings, to create a personal space, as if this lonely creature understands and values the concept of privacy. 1. The octopus might not be from Earth. A controversial scientific theory known as panspermia proposes that the octopus's genetic code is so advanced and so alien to its terrestrial neighbors that it may have originated beyond Earth. The hypothesis suggests its ancestors arrived as frozen eggs, carried across the cosmos on a comet. While unproven and highly debated, the genetics of the octopus remain astonishingly complex, a biological enigma unlike anything else known to science. Whether its origins are cosmic or terrestrial, the octopus is not just a creature, it is a question the ocean keeps asking. A mind without bones, a heart that stops to move, and a body that thinks in fragments. The octopus dreams beneath crushing depths, dies for its offspring, and builds tools in the dark, a fleeting, brilliant existence that humanity barely understands. It forces us to wonder, perhaps the ocean hides intelligence far older, far deeper, and far stranger than our own. Perhaps the octopus is not an alien from space, but a native intelligence, a reminder that we live among the truly unknown, right here on our own planet. If this descent into the abyss awakens something curious within you, subscribe to Neuramysteries, where we explore the unseen, the unexplained, and the minds that lie beneath the surface. Because sometimes, the ocean is thinking back.